So what I want to show you today is a little bit of babysitting, baby sail out, because a lot of people like that this is my personal life. So on Wednesdays it's more laid back. I share with you my personal life and what I am doing. But behind the camera, I just want to show you some things that I am working on, will be working on. A lot of people love my gardening and they love me in the garden. I know it can get a little bit repetitious, but I want to show you real close up as to what I'm growing different this year. These are garden huckleberries. Now you think that they're ripe, but they're not. They have to get really dull color in huckleberries to make my own jams and jellies. Really excited about that. Of course, you know the typical things that I have. I have the tomatoes, I have the potatoes, the carrots I soon can harvest, but it's just so beautiful out here. Let me show you. It's really kind of quiet, but there's a lot of breeze, and so the leaves are dropping, which it kind of gives you that fall feeling. But with the garden huckleberries, that is just one thing that I am working on. The next thing I am going to be still doing is working on my tomatoes, my cucumbers, and working on some of my herbs. But let me show you what it looks like. I have lots of dill growing. I just have a lot of herbs and things like that as well. I've been canning every day, and I'm working on canning ketchup coming this week. So this week is a pretty busy week. We have a lot of canning that I'm going to be working on. I'm also going to be working on some DIY projects. I'm really excited. I'm also going to be introducing a new video series, and the video series is all about what it was like when we lived below poverty level. I'm going to show you video clips. I'm going to show you all kinds of amazing things about what our life was like. And so we are really excited about this adventure, and I think you're going to really enjoy the video clips, and I think you're going to enjoy just a whole different way of me filming. After being on YouTube 10 years, there's just so much film that I have out there, but not everybody gets to see it. And so I thought it would be a wonderful opportunity that we could share, film with people how my life really was like. I'm gonna have a little bit of what it's like now, a little bit like what it was in the past, and it's gonna be all in one video. Okay, so what video ideas do we want for the month of August? Let's see. First, we have to write down what I need to get for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and let's work on that one first. You want to write it too? You want to see this? Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's a bookmark, and it's scratch and sniff. Yum yum, yum 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 yum. Oh, you gonna sing? Are you gonna be a singer? So let's go with this. Let's go with this. And then what else do we want to do? Okay, so we're going to go with this. Oh! Man, you kick. Man, you're a kicker, kicker, kicker. You're a kicker, kicker, kicker. Okay, and let's see, let's go with this. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Hello, precious. Hi. His mama's here. Mama's here. Mama's here. Got that done. Here's the thing. I harvest some of these sunflowers, but I'm gonna have to do something to keep the squirrels from eating it. I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm gonna have to bring it in the house because every year I work on these and then the squirrels seem to eat the sunflowers. And I can't have them eat the sunflowers because I use them for seeds for next year. So I'm just gonna have to figure out what to do about that. I'm gonna take them in the house and just put them somewhere in the house. Found another onion. I keep finding onions like all the time. It's crazy. All right, isn't that pretty? I just think that's so pretty. I'm gonna take it in here. I gotta make sure there's no more bees because we have a lot of bees. These are really bad. Can't go in there. Ugh. I gotta get bee spray. I can't be having that. Oh, I see the spotted lanternflies are back too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's rough. Well, everyone, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you watched this morning's video. Ooh-wee. Oh, she loves this cover. You gotta feel this cover. C'est là. Hey. Oh, she's looking at the camera. She's looking at herself on the camera. Boop, 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 boop. Oh man, she's kicking. C'est là.